Hey there, future builders. Got a dream of building your own home? Let's turn that dream into reality. In this guide, I'll walk you through the basics of DIY home building. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, planning. Before you lift a hammer, you need a solid plan. Sketch out your design and make sure it fits your needs and budget. Once you've got your blueprint, check your local building codes and get any necessary permits. Trust me, this step is crucial. Now, onto the foundation. This is the base of your house, so it needs to be rock solid. Start by marking out the boundaries of your house on the ground. Excavate the area and pour concrete footings. Then, build your foundation walls. Whether you choose a slab, crawl space, or basement, make sure it's level and sturdy. Next is framing. This is where your house starts to take shape. Erect the walls using 2x4S or 2x6S, depending on your insulation needs. Make sure everything is squared up and nailed securely. Then add the roof trusses and sheathing. It's starting to look like a home now, isn't it? Now let's talk about the roof. This part is super important to keep your house dry. Install the roof decking, underlayment, and roofing material of your choice, like shingles or metal. Don't forget the flashing and gutters to direct water away from your house onto the exterior. Wrap your house with a weather-resistant barrier and install your choice of siding, vinyl, wood, or brick. Then put in the windows and doors. Seal everything up to keep the weather out and the comfort in. Inside, it's time for plumbing and electrical. Unless you're a pro, I recommend hiring experts for this part. It's worth it for safety and to meet code requirements. Next, insulation and drywall. Insulate your walls and ceilings to keep your home energy efficient. Then hang drywall, tape, and mud the seams. After it's dry, sand it smooth and you're ready for paint. Finally, the finishing touches. Install your flooring, trim, cabinets, and fixtures. Paint the walls and add your personal touches. Before you know it, you'll be standing in your very own home, built with your own hands. Remember, building a house is a big project, but take it one step at a time and you'll get there. And hey, don't forget to enjoy the process. Happy building. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips. Catch you next time.